Our new series of postcards comes to you from the southeastern Kazakh region of Almaty. The spectacular Sharon Canyon is a major attraction here, about 200 kilometers east of Almaty city. And yes, a certain place in Arizona in the US comes to mind. This natural wonder is often described as the Grand Canyon's little brother, with this section known as the Valley of Castles because of the impressive rock formations that almost seem man-made. The great thing here is the easy access to get right up close. The entire canyon can be visited from above and below, either by vehicle or on foot.
The Sharon Canyon was formed 12 million years ago when an ancient lake receded. This part is 3 kilometers long and it's the river Sharon that flows through it.
Whether it's summer or winter, from sunrise to sunset, the sedimentary sandstone provides an ever-changing spectacle of fascinating shapes and dazzling colours.